Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'll be taking you through DMC's Marketing Efficiency Dashboard. The Lead and Opportunity Efficiency Dashboard shows us how much is spent in marketing per lead generated. To do this, we took data from our CRM system and combined it with data from Google Analytics. Once we were able to join this on the time period in which they both occurred and filtered to only show leads generated from website content, we were able to get both the total amount spent and the total leads generated over the same time period. We then boiled that down to simple dashboard metrics such as total leads, total marketing spend, and most importantly, cost per lead. We then added data slicers across our business areas and office locations to narrow down our tool to specific campaigns and geographic locations. On our blog dashboard, we wanted to gain insight into who is generating the most relevant and engaging content. In order to do this, we pulled information from both Google Analytics for traffic information, as well as our own content management system for blog authors and categories. With this information, we were able to see not only who was creating the most content, but which types of blogs were performing best. Lastly, we've been targeting specific geographic areas with marketing campaigns, and we wanted to gain an understanding of where our traffic and subsequent new accounts were located. From Google Analytics, we were able to tie our traffic with specific latitudes, longitudes, cities, and even metropolitan areas. With this, we could ascertain not only where our traffic comes from, but also where our new accounts were located. With the slicers that were added, we were then able to see which office locations were generating accounts in which areas. For more information about the Marketing Efficiency Dashboard, Power BI, or DMC's Microsoft Consulting Services, please contact us on our website, dmcinfo.com.